Steve Dotto here. How the heck you doing this fine day? Me? I have a rather uncomfortable admission I have to make. I am a serial social media dashboard user. I have a regular relationship with 4 different social media dashboards, with Agora Pulse, with Hootsuite, with Post Planner, and with Buffer. And I can't choose between them. They all bring something wonderful into my life, so I use them all. And you might well want to use them all yourself, or you might just want to use one or the other, because they all do different things very well. Now, one of the things which Hootsuite does very well is integration with a variety of other tools. I've shown you in the past how Hootsuite has something called the app directory, which allows massive extensibility, where you can take Hootsuite and you can integrate it with a large variety of different applications. And one of the tools that I've shown you actually integrating Hootsuite in the past with is YouTube. I've used a variety of different tools to integrate Hootsuite with YouTube. But Hootsuite is constantly evolving, and they have added native YouTube integration into Hootsuite as of now. So today we are going to take a look at native YouTube integration in Hootsuite on Dottotech. I've got a special spot in my heart for Hootsuite because they're based here in the same city that I live in, so I know many of the people at Hootsuite, and it is a wonderful tool that many people use to great effect in the social media world. Now, as I mentioned in the preamble, the app directory allows great extensibility within Hootsuite, but they've now added, if we go into our accounts area here, they've now added native integration to YouTube. Now, what does that mean for us as far as YouTube content creators? Well, actually, it means some pretty wonderful things. If we go back into the main view area of Hootsuite. Now, if you want to know more about actually using Hootsuite, we've got several videos where we've talked about Hootsuite, the tool, to give you a good baseline understanding of Hootsuite. But if you understand basically how Hootsuite works, is all of our content is formed in these different streams. Now, here is a stream which I've had in the past, which uses tracks all of my YouTube analytics. I'm not sure I'm going to need to do that anymore, because watch here. If I go and add a stream for the first time now, I can add a YouTube stream. And my YouTube stream can include my videos, the comments, moderated comments, ones that are spam if I need to be cleaning things up, or a search or playlist. But let's just bring in a video stream and see how it resolves and what options we have. So here now, for the first time ever, I can see my YouTube channel in real time. And this is absolute real time, because you see here, this is actually an unresolved video that's right now just being uploaded and just being compressed on YouTube. So it's giving me real-time information on everything that's happening in YouTube. So instead of having to go down to my creator dashboard, if I'm in social media mode and I'm doing other things such as responding to tweets and posting different tweets, etc., I can access my YouTube account right from here and view it all, and it gives me several different options of what I can do at the account. Most useful, far and away I think most useful, is the ability for me to deal with my YouTube comments, to be able to go in here and actually respond to comments that people are delivering in YouTube. One thing that YouTube is not great at in its native interface is dealing with comments. Being able to deal with them here in Hootsuite, I find to be a really good solution for managing the conversations happening on my YouTube channel. So we have that ability right here. But we've also got the ability to do other social social interaction right from the Hootsuite dashboard here as well. We can edit the content of the video. Now, not as much as we can in the Creator Studio. If I go into the edit mode here, you could basically go in and change tags, description, and title, and also the privacy. That's about pretty much all you can really do. But still, if you have a typo, or you just want to change a title, or add some extra text, or add a link to the description, it's pretty darn convenient to be able to do it right from here within Hootsuite. And you can also, far more useful, is the ability to share it into Hootsuite, which automatically populates the YouTube post in a tweet or in a post ready to go out. Now, one thing that it doesn't do at this time is it doesn't look like it's grabbing the YouTube thumbnail with it and using that as a graphic within, say, a tweet, if we chose this to be a tweet. So you're probably going to want to incorporate the graphic as well, so that you can have a nice rich tweet go out. But this convenience of being able to automatically publish or be able to quickly publish directly out of your YouTube channel is pretty useful. And it's also really useful from this perspective, is if you're going through and you're responding to questions and tweets and comments in your other social channels, and you need to source. If you want to say to somebody, well, take a look at this video that I created 3 months ago, you can find those videos very quickly right here within this stream as well. So it gives you a lot of flexibility in that space. In my mind, the integration most valuable dealing with comments, but you may well find other value in integrating a YouTube stream right out of your content right within your own Hootsuite dashboard. Now, there's 3 ways for you to stay in touch with us here on Dottotech. This first is, please subscribe to this channel. Second, subscribe to our newsletter. That way you'll hear about all of our upcoming live events, tutorials, and webinars. And finally, Dottotech is a community-funded channel supported by the generosity of you folks at the crowdfunding site Patreon. If you stop by our Patreon page and take a look, you'll discover that there are perks involved in supporting Dottotech, and the perks be awesome. Until next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.